Yo family, this is Big Shaggy Pictures and I welcome you to my channel Cooking with Sindaco. On this channel I'll be teaching you guys or showing you guys how to cook not only Ghanaian dishes but continental. Today I'll be dealing with onions and I show you guys how to chop onions in 3 different kinds, like the slicing, the dicing and the ring type. Yeah, so without wasting much time, let's do this. Okay, so I have 3 onions over here, and in my local dialect they call it jene or not, and I say onion. And I'll be slicing each of these ones. I'll use one for slicing, other one for dicing, then the ring type. So first you need to get the chopping board. The chopping board should be, it can be the wood form or plastic, but it should be something very flat so that you can be able to do the work very well. And also you have to get your knife. Yeah, very sharp knife. So we have our first onion over here, and with this onion, I'll be slicing it. Yeah, let's slice it up. And we all know that the onion has these 2 parts, the root and the head. And anytime that you cut the root off, you squish my bar, and when it comes, you begin to cry. So for the slicing, I'll cut off the head, which is this position. As you can see, I cut off the head. Then I have to peel off. So the slicing, it's either there, bokono day, and now there you go from this angle. So it's either vertical or horizontal from here to this side. Into no. And now onion so usuma or them second or the ones and hardy. So na be you to me try because people get mistake and they position it like this. I don't know to try this, but here the day now I want to try one into no from top to down. From top to down to now. You try that necessary good. The second or the one selection or that knuckle selection. At this point to know or you need to know. The bottom day, not a trap. So we have our slide going on. And anytime you are use to second on the chopping board, use always the back of the knife. Use always the back of the because hardy and it's too sharp. It's not going to attract your wood and other plastic. So always use the back of the knife to do anything on the chopping board. Yeah. So we put our onions over here. So with the second onion, this is our second onion, and we'll be dicing it. We're trying to get it. And how to do this, we'll be using the same method. We'll still cut the head or chop the head of the onion. Now my chim 2. The chim 2 halves. Okay. So with the dicing, I didn't try to get it to the cube. So how are you going to do this? In the first place, there some layers. I got there some layers where you need to do this. I don't about to know. You see that you hold this like this, or what do about to do? Okay, and to have a slide from under, cut through. Then again, you cut again from the top like this. Okay, then over turning the day now a trap when you see foam the has okay, try to hold the two all together because see now this is gonna start up there. Oh yeah, start into the eye them there, then go back to this position. I started there with your trap. So as finally our third onion. The onion third one. We'll be trying to ring. So we'll be doing the ring cut or the so we'll be doing the ring chop. We'll be trying the ring. So this is our onion, and it's the same thing that I'll be doing over here also. Into the mixture, the head away, and because of onion all around, then what you trying to refine the ring type, which is from here to the side, you know, all around it, you know, on your stable. So I don't mean the mixture, no one can crack, no, we try to crack it. Sorry, I want to be this side and mixture, me this home, no, me to mixture, because at this point I'm telling you. Pretty off. It's no baby. I'm try first, you know. I'll place the cut position, you know, like this. Then I will begin to chop. So family, we have our onion being chopped, and as you can see the results, we have the ring type, we have the sliced and the diced one. Yeah, so ring, slice, and the dice. So family, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell to get notification when new video drops. So this is Cooking with Sindaco, and we see you very soon. Ciao ciao.